Hello friends, welcome back to Technique, and in this video we'll talk about the XOS. So XOS is the software powering Infinix smartphone. Now XOS is based on Android and on the Infinix Note 50X. What Infinix has done is completely redesign the XOS with a completely new UI experience. Infinix says that they have completely redone with the UI, much better improvement and performance, and it's more user friendly and a lot of features added. So Infinix Note 50X 5G is the first device to come with its new UI. This is based on Android 15. So let's see what all new features offer and the overall general UI experience, how good the experience is. So this device is powered by the Dimensity 7300 chip, and we have Android 15 and XOS on this device. So let's see how good the experience is on the XOS 15. So right now we have the new Infinix Note 50X 5G. Let's go to the about device first, and this has the new UI. This is the first device with the new UI, XOS 15.0.3. It's a completely revamped UI. It looks much cleaner and a lot of features are added. We'll have a complete walk around of this UI and we'll show you what all features it offers. Some of these features might be new, some might be old. So let's find out what is good here. So you can see here Infinix Note 50X 5G Dimensity 7300 Ultra. So the about phone itself is completely revamped. You can see here fonts are nice. There is good amount of gap between the options, making it a bit more legible here. Android version, you can see here Android 15. So first let's have a look at the UI experience. You can see this is the settings panel, and now you can see that the icons have been changed and the arrangement looks much cleaner now. Again, the grouping is there. First we have the SIM and network, then you have the customization option, then you have the security, additional functions, digital well-being, and user accounts and system. So grouping is pretty good. So here SIM and settings are nothing much to differentiate, but here you can see here PC connection, cast and transfer. You can connect to the PC, and phone screen mirroring option is there. Phone mirroring gesture option is also there. Then the instant transfer, you can quickly transfer files from the device to the PC. This option is also included. Then you also get additional options like PC Swift transfer. Swipe right with 3 fingers to transfer selected files. You can transfer images and videos and other files from the clipboard. So these are options available. Again, not all these features are new. We are just showcasing the UI right now. Then if you go to the Infinix AI, so here a lot of features are included, AI features. This is the 4x voice, this is AI assistant. Then 4x smart touch is there, recognize content on screen with one tap, help you to extract text easily. So if you want to extract text from any image, you can do with that. Then call assistant, you can see call assistant make calls smoother, and real-time translation and summarization help you to grasp the key information. AI auto answer is there, AI call summary is there, AI call translator is there. So these are new features included. And then you have translation assistant. Here you can see here smart translate. Long press and swipe down with 2 fingers to select a section to translate. So smart translate option allows you to translate text. Then a social assistant, call summarization, bidirectional translator is there in case you are in a location where you don't understand that language. You can go with this translator as well. Then a document assistant, choose to upload a file and enter a link to enjoy convenient voice assistant services. One tap summarization, easily tap to quickly extract points. Say for example, if you have a long document, you can get quick summarization with this option. Then writing assistant, again if you want to write a long text or a note, you can go with the writing assistant. You can see here rewrite tools. You can select generate summaries and perform searches. Then AI note is there. You can see here AI note. If you just enter some details, you can see here AI writing option has come. So you can just use the AI writing, AI text generator, proofread, summarize. Then you can rewrite this with friendly, professional and concise options. So these are the options in the notes, AI tools included. And then AI wallpaper generator. You can generate wallpaper. You can see here using words or image reinvention. You can select different themes are there. Just select some theme and then regenerate. You can select your own picture. You can try costumes, pets to create AI images. Similarly, you can use magic words to get guidance and then create wallpaper. This is AI wallpaper generator. Then AI cutout is there. This we already know. To cut out an image, select this image. Then you can just press and hold, and you can see that I can cut out this myself from here. So I can see here. So that I have dragged and kept in the clipboard. So that functionality is there. So you can see here, this is the clipboard. Smart Hub it is called, and you can cut out images from here, and you can use it anywhere. If you want to use this somewhere in the email, you can do that. Then circle to search is basically just press and hold here, and you can circle to search. This is the circle to search. So these options are there. These are Google features, circle to search. Then if you go more, suggestions and smart accelerator options are there. So these are AI features included. Then going to wallpaper and personalization, you get all the features. My themes, lock screen, always on display. You can customize always on display. There are plenty of options available to customize always on display. Then fonts are there. You can select fonts. Some fonts you can download additional fonts if you want. Then if you go to the themes, you can download additional themes as well from online store. Then lock screen wallpapers you can customize. Then you can see here system colors. You can have this. These are the options. Static wallpapers. You can select colors for the icons and the themes. Then online themes you can download. Then home screen settings. You can customize how you want the home screen to appear. Folder lock is there. Scrolling is there. Auto app management. All these functionalities are there here in the wallpaper. Now display and brightness, you can see here, you can set the color temperature, default color, cooler colors or warmer colors. Screen refresh rate you can set auto. Then other options are included then here. Then notification and status bar, you can see a lock screen. You can customize how you want, what all notifications you want. Banners, you can select the banner style, whether you want detailed or simple banners. Then you can also see that the badges, whether you want to see badges on the lock screen, notification and status bar. So these are options. Status bar, what all you want in the status bar, you can also say that. Then you can customize these with more options. Then in terms of password and security, you have the lock screen passwords, fingerprint, face unlock, all these options are there. Then app lock is there. Then mobile anti-theft is there, unlock, capture, theft alert, all these functionalities are there. Next, let's see app management, location, all these things are pretty much basic. What you see, special function, dynamic bar is something which you can see here when charging, face unlock, call, recorder, charging animations, media player. We'll just quickly show you the charging animations for this using the dynamic bar. So you can see here now the dynamic bar comes up. This is how the dynamic bar works. This is available for hotspot. You can enable this for bunch of options including media player, stopwatch, Google Maps, screen recorder, all these options you can enable dynamic bar. Then you have the floating windows. Obviously this is nothing new. It is available on all the devices. You can just swipe with 3 fingers. You can swipe up with 3 fingers to enable the floating window. So just swipe up. Only apps which are supported are available in the floating window. Then split screen, you can enable that split screen with 2 fingers. Swipe horizontally to enable split screen, and you can have one app at the top and the bottom another app. Again, this is nothing new, already available. Then smart panel, you can see smart panel. Just swipe from here, you get the smart panel. Quickly access some of the options in the smart panel. You can also add what all you want with the smart panel. Then game mode, obviously for gaming, this device is basically a gaming centric device. You will get some additional options for gaming mode. Smart hub, we are just already showcased the smart hub. When you want to drag and drop something, then you can use the smart hub for temporarily storing. Then kids mode is also included. If you're giving it to kids, you can enable the kids mode. Then Xclone is there. Xclone is basically cloning of apps. Facebook, Instagram and Messenger are available right now. Other apps you can try out if you are using that. Then active halo lighting, so this is something which is available on this device alone. You can see here, you can enable these for notification, charging, light effect duration you can set, notifications and shooting, and flash for calls. We'll just show you how this works. When I connect the device to the charger, so you can see here, this is the light here. So that's how the halo lighting looks like. Pretty good when you get notifications and calls, so you can see this light glowing. So that's how the light works. Then if you go to the battery and power saver, you can see that ultra power saving mode, battery saving, battery health. You can see the battery health, AI charge protection, custom charging protection is also included here. Then you have the charging speed. You can have a smart charge or low temperature charge, reverse wired charging. You can use this device to charge another device, so that option is also included here. Then bypass charging, this once enabled, when you're gaming, you can directly power the device using the charger instead of using the battery, because that will not heat up the battery. So that's another useful feature. Then charging protection is also included. So these are the options in the battery charging option, saving mode. And then you have the various other options. So you can see system navigation, screen recorder, then reset phone, and other options are there in UI. So this is a UI. It looks pretty good, and you can see here it's very smooth. Now they are grouped here into different categories. And then if you see the multitasking option, this is the new multitasking option. And we'll just show you the notification toggle. So this is now redesigned notification toggle, much more cleaner. But although it has looks of other UI, but this now looks much more cleaner. You can edit the UI experience. You can see edit shortcut. And then other option, you have two different areas. One is notification and one is quick toggles. And then here we have the zero screen, where you have the app suggestions and other options included. So this is how the UI looks like. Now if you look at the camera UI, here not much of change happening, almost similar UI experience with the new XOS. So this is how the new XOS looks with the new customization options, new UI and new features added. So what do you guys think about the new XOS? Do let us know your thoughts in the comment section. So we have done a walkthrough of all the features included in the XOS. So hope this video was useful. Do hit that like button and also hit the subscribe button for more videos. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you in our next video. Have a great day.